coastal area Raigad and Alibag with wind speed of up to 120 kilometers per hour on Wednesday afternoon. Cyclone Nisarg weakened into a cyclonic storm in the evening. Now, as per the IMD, the cyclone weakened into deep depression, and further, the deep depression over interior Maharashtra moved northeastwards and lays centered about 70 kilometers east of Nasik in Maharashtra. It is likely to weaken into a depression during the next few hours. As soon as cyclone weakened, the NDRF team started relief and rehabilitation work. Overall, the worst has passed and the cyclone situation was well negotiated because of the timely preparations and coordination between the central and the state. Heavy rains occurred at isolated places in Maharashtra. Fishermen were advised not to venture into east, central and northeast Arabian Sea. Mumbai was spared major damage from the cyclone, except reports of uprooting of trees and waterlogging from some areas. Yogesh is joining us from Mumbai to get us more on that. Yogesh, we tell our viewers that Mumbai was spared with severe damage, but at the same time, we also tell our viewers that with the weakening of the cyclone, rehabilitation work across other parts of Maharashtra have begun. Get us a sense of the current situation there in the state, and also how is the weather being predicted in the next few days?
That's true. As you have rightly mentioned, that worst has in fact passed, especially in Mumbai and especially in the Raigad areas. Precisely, let me tell you the epicenter of the entire cyclonic wave, that is Alibag. Yesterday I was there, and the situation has very improved, and now the things are in fact getting back to normalcy. And there are some places like low-lying places in Mumbai, like Sayan, Kolivara, Dadar, Kurla, the area which is just next to Arabian Sea, like Nariman Point. So these areas, some areas are low-lying areas where waterlogged is being reported in some areas, but the rehabilitation works, the BMC and also Maharashtra police units, and there are multiple agencies that are working to ensure that people don't face any problems, any troubles in traffic movement also. So things are getting normal. Coming to your next question, that now what is the prediction of IMDC? What we are witnessing at this point in time in some areas, like in isolated areas, still there's a moderate rain we are witnessing here. But now, as you have also rightly said, that now the winds which are dusting earlier, we had seen at 120 km per hour at around. Now the things are over now, and they have just moved towards northeast, the other direction, interior Maharashtra, like Nasik and other areas. So the situation in Mumbai and Maharashtra is now getting back to normalcy, and as of now, there's no threat as per the meteorological department also. Yeah.
All right, Yogesh, thank you so much for joining us with those inputs from Mumbai. That was our correspondent Yogesh Sheetal telling us more about the rehabilitation work which has been taken up in Maharashtra after cyclone Nisarg weakened. Up next, we'll get to other news. The tragic death of a pregnant